Tell me about you, your background, what led you to what you're doing now?
Well, I grew up in Sweden, Stockholm, Sweden. My mom, my dad, and my sister lived there, and I came over here on scholarships 25 years ago, and I was a great student. I got hundreds and thousands of dollars in scholarship to study undergrad and grad school at AUGW. And then I made my fortune in real estate on Wall Street by myself. Set up my family office the last 15 years, and by doing so, started focusing on venture capital, real estate, direct investments, and hedge funds, credit hedge funds specifically. And this last couple of years, that VC division investments that we made, maybe 80 investments, are now focused on cryptocurrency and initial coin offerings, because it changes the whole venture capital world around. It allows you to get the capital first and then build and launch your business. And you also get a whole globe of individuals who can give you capital quickly online. So it's been a marvelous time for my family office and the family offices we work with. We have a few hundred family offices we work with. Now, financial media has always been interesting to my family office because we always want to be able to reach people. So being here at NASDAQ is great for us to be able to get the exposure. But we also invest in online publication in finance. And one of those is Family Office Magazine that's going to reach 45,000 families office professionals globally in 26 cities end of 2017. And I'm excited because I end up being the chief editor and I'm an owner of the magazine. I've been working on it for 4 years. But there's 9,000 family offices in that database. So now we have a way of communicating with them. And it's always been difficult to reach a family office because we're very protective. A lot of people are chasing our attention, trying to get our attention, and we want to be sort of secluded.
What kind of investments are you looking for when you choose these companies to be an advisor to their boards?
My family office, myself, and I like being on the board advisory because I can add a lot of value, and the board advisor usually doesn't put in that many hours. So I like to be a board advisor to do the due diligence, and I also like to find the right companies and see the chemistry of the team so I can make a decision if I want to invest myself, invest with other family offices, or invest with hedge funds and cryptocurrency hedge funds that we work with globally. We've got over 100 hedge fund traders around the world that we talk and we communicate, from Hong Kong to London to Paris to Chicago to Stockholm, Dubai, and we look at deals together. And often we'll make a move or investment because we get verification from others that it's a good idea. And then it might sometimes become a snowball effect, and a lot of money comes in really quickly.